I greet you all my people. This is Chioma Tugo. I thank you once again on Igbo History TV. There is something I want to pinpoint on this particular venue. I want to use this opportunity to pinpoint something very, very important. Yesterday, or the day before yesterday, we all congratulated Chioma and Davido on their traditional marriage, which was held on Lagos. But there's something I want to pinpoint here. There are some certain things we do that we think it is right, but it is not. This Chioma and Davido Adeleke's traditional marriage is a very big misnomer. The reason why I say that it is a very big misnomer is this. In Igbo land, our tradition doesn't bend or break for anybody, no matter your status in the society. As in, that traditional marriage shouldn't have hold in Lagos, but in Nkwere, which is the bride's hometown. That is how it is being done everywhere in Igbo land. I don't know why all these Lagos brothers want to change our tradition overnight. And some of these people who see themselves as a figurehead, I don't know, as they're richer or they're higher in the society, or their position is high in the society. I don't know what all these people who see themselves as public figures want to turn our tradition into. This is culture, for crying out loud. Culture is the people's way of life. This is our way of life. This is how we're supposed to be. This is how we can be recognized. Now you want to change it overnight. As a lady, how do you see yourself going to your husband's house to do your traditional marriage, to pay your dowry? That is very big. That is a very big. How will I put it? Stupidity. It's as in that is a bunch of rubbish. I don't know Chioma's father, the kind of man that man is. He lacks integrity, because if he has some, he wouldn't have allowed or agreed to go to Lagos to do that traditional marriage. Or does it mean that he has no knowledge of our tradition and culture? Has such a thing happened in Nkwere before? Marrying our daughter in Lagos, paying our bride price in Lagos. That is very wrong. It is very wrong. And I don't want this kind of thing to continue. Some people saying that there is much insecurity in Igbo land. No place is safe in Nigeria as it stands now. No place is safe in Nigeria. In the north, you will see Boko Haram, all those bandits. In the west, they're also doing, the Fulani herdsmen are still killing people in the west. In the east, the same people are doing it. And the worst part of it, they were only killing in the east, they will target unknown government or IPOB without any verification. The same people are the same people killing people all around the country. There is nowhere that is safe in Nigeria as it stands now. So using it as an excuse to do this is not it at all. Using insecurity as an excuse for doing traditional marriage in Lagos is out of it. They should have held the traditional marriage on low key. If they see that there is something like insecurity, they should have held it on low key now. Yes? Instead of tarnishing, instead of destroying our culture. I don't want this to repeat. I want to use this medium because I've been using this medium to promote Igbo culture and tradition. So that's why I want to correct some mistakes most of our people are doing, especially all those Lagos brought up. My mama tell me say I be Igbo. They don't know what traditional marriage means. When your husband come to your place to marry you, or to perform all those rites, that means he valued you so much. He really loved you. And if he can be able to provide those items he was asked to provide, that means he can be able to take care of you. And he really loved you and can take risk because of you. That is the reason why you are asked to do all those things. Nothing more. So when you, all of you, gather yourself and go to Lagos to perform such thing, that means you are forcing yourself on the man. You are the one forcing yourself on the man. The man don't even love you. And the same way, the man will also push you away someday because he don't value you. Because if he value you, he will come to your, if he values you so much, he will come to your place and do the proper thing. And for Chioma's father who did such thing, I don't think that man know anything about Igbo tradition. Or is it because, or I don't know if he's a money lover. Because some of these people doing this thing are money lovers. Maybe because he sees that Davido is rich. He have to dance to his tune. Should be the one that will tell Davido. He should have told Davido that this is not the way things are done. Our daughter must be married in Nkwere. That is where we belong. That is our hometown. That is his place of origin. But he went to Lagos. Alongside his, I don't know if his kindred people followed him, because this marriage, with traditional marriage ceremony, is done between the living and the dead. Even that goat which they will request from you, before killing the goat, there are some certain things they say in regards to that. There are certain things they will say before they kill that goat. That goat belongs to both the living and the dead. All the members of the kindred will share that goat. Yes. All the members of the kindred will share that goat. But now you see, and there are some certain drink they will drink in that ceremony that only the old people among them will drink that drink. We participate in that particular meeting with the elders. Only elders participate in that particular meeting. But I don't think they do such thing in Lagos, because they cannot see that kind of elders in Lagos. Because the elders I'm talking about is about 90 years up. Traditional marriage is not that ordinary. That's why you see a lot of divorces in our society today, because it is not properly done the way it's supposed to be done. This is our culture and supposed to be protected at all costs. Our culture must be protected at all costs. Well, I believe Davido is mannered. He's well mannered and is open to correction. He can be corrected and he can take corrections. Well, I advise him to take proper corrections and do the proper thing. Thank you. Please help us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates like this. Thank you very much. This is Chioma. Remain blessed.